J. Krishnamurti said, I don't mind what happens. This is my secret. Yes, literally J. Krishnamurti said, this is my secret. I don't mind what happens. You know, this one line, if you understood it completely, then nothing remains. You will understand whole philosophy, you will understand whole psychology, whole spirituality. Because all the time we used to resist whatever happens, we used to control, we used to give opinions and right and wrong, label things, verbalize, and everything. We give meaning to each event that is happening in front of us. Whatever meaning we can give, whatever label we can give. Sorry, seeing that the mind is in a constant struggle, constant turbulence. It's always in wear and tear, always controlling, judging, trying, seeking, searching, analyzing, extracting experience out of it. And this we do as a compulsion. This is just an insecurity to understand things, to seek. So that's why J. Krishnamurti said, whatever happens, let it happen. Don't try to understand even, don't try to judge even. Because you will understand through the instrument thought, and thought is the biggest dividing factor. It's the biggest cause of conflict, because thought is always the past, and the life is always the new, and there is always the struggle between the new and the past. So always conflict. That's why J. Krishnamurti said that you don't have to resist, control, analyze, experience, just remain with what is, whatever is happening. Remain. The fear is coming, anger is coming, insecurity is coming, anxiety is coming, whatever is happening, let it come fully. Let it come fully. Don't give any fuel to all these things. Whenever you let everything come, then you are, in a place where you no more exist. Only the thing which is coming exists, and it will show its whole story. It will tell its whole story and gone, because there is no fighting anymore. And when there is no fighting, there is no dissipation of energy. So don't react anything happening. You all know the reactions are very subtle, they are very minute. The confirmation is also a reaction. You confirm inside. People used to confirm that I am meditating right or wrong. Used to confirm I should meditate like I meditated before, the peace I gained before, the reference point. This is also confirmation, this is also reaction. You don't even have to say anything. Just be here and now, without any trying, without any focus, just pure attention, without center. There is no center at all. The center or the observer is a past, which is accumulating knowledge, gathering things. All the gathered knowledge is a past. As Krishnamurti said, life is always new. It's ever changing, taking place. Everything is changing, temporary. And you are trying to extract anything. You are trying to give meaning, labels. So all these things which you do, it just give you noise, not peace. And when you no longer judge, resist, control, suppress, obsess, be impulsive, you let everything happen, flow, then there is absolute peace. This is not laziness or passiveness. This is pure awareness, where you putting everything on its own place and telling its own story without interfering, without modification, and without manipulation according to your prejudice. So this is one of the most marvelous art where you are learning at each moment, constant learning. And this is not the learning of gathering knowledge. This is learning which is taking place at each moment, afresh, young, alive, innocent. At that point, JK said that the intelligence awaken. The intelligence awaken, something which is uninvited, you can't invite, comes into being. Because the mind is totally peaceful. And the mind is, when peaceful, then that unknown, that immeasurable, which is the source of every creation, comes, and which take care itself. It is nothing else but truth. And truth is a catalyst to end all your sufferings. This is what J. Krishnamurti said. And it's the secret of J. Krishnamurti. And it is not only the secret of J. Krishnamurti, it's the secret of every yogi, every sage who is in the path of self-realization or enlightened even. That they don't resist life, they don't control life. They let everything happen and, bring everything on its own. They don't chase peace. They don't chase meanings. They just silence, remain silent, and then the insight comes and they take action from there. So all of you who wants to understand something, some basic concept like meditation, spirituality, awareness, observation, thought, beyond thought, truth, I have wonderful 24 videos course for you. This spirituality and meditation course, it's absolute, it's ultimate, and nothing will remain to know. My WhatsApp number 9773529489, giving in description too. You can join my course from there. Thank you very much.